1 o'clock. First portage done. Mosquitoes are kind of thick.
Very bad.
Only a bajillion bites on the portage. Oh, look, there's one on my face. Oh, look, there's one on my... Day 1. Cold. Owen. Catch a fish. You haven't caught anything. Can you see the mist? Not really warm out. Step. There's home for the wind-bound evening. How are we doing? A little bit of rain. Lots of whitecaps. The weather is telling us to hunker down. Oh, and a broken bolt on my seat. That's never happened before. Oh, stop it. Stop sneaking. Stop. Busted. All right. Oh, wow. You're not a carnivore, are you? Pathetic.
A little.
Not, hey, not a YouTuber. No. I'm not. No.
Camper Christina Angles.
She's better than us. A lot better. All right, what did they say on the spot? What are the gusting winds?
I don't know, like
23?
30, 35?
23 to 35. So we are going to go around the point and try to get to the sheltered shore in the north. There are whitecaps, but hopefully it's only a kilometer. Okay, we made it.
Yep.
Couple of whitecaps. I don't know if you can see it on the phone, but it was nasty right there at the turn of that corner. But we did it. Just a little bit of water coming over the gunnels.
Yep.
Not too bad, right?
Perch. First fish of the trip.
First fish.
Dinky perch.
Rinky dink striper. That was a boggy portage. Huh? Yeah. We came from over there. My feet are wet. We're tired. Only 2 more to go.
If there's any ants in them? We're gonna teleport over to the end of the portage.
It's just that easy. All we do is go 1, 2, 3. Snap. Second portage plus the river done. We may have missed a little bit of the journey in between. Maybe a little bit.
Yep, and there is our burn. That will be reaching in the next few days.
See these waves. What's wrong? That's scary. Keep it straight or roll.
Oh, yes.
Well, in terms of success, we didn't drown. So that's good, right?
Yes.
It started. Garlic bread goes in the frying pan next. And then directly into our mouths. Well, mission accomplished, Pam. Gourmet food in the bush. We're eating pulled pork and garlic bread here. Will you attract the fishies for us? Nothing else is working. Is the wind finally dying down? Morning, Owen.
Morning.
What's different about today?
No waves. Yet.
Our first day without white caps. Look how flat the water is. This is what we were waiting for. Lake trout! Big lake trout! Big lake trout!
Oh,
Dude!
that's a donkey.
Dude, lake trout in like 5 feet of water!
Bring it over here.
I'm just taking, I don't want to lose it.
That's a donkey.
What? It's not even gonna fit in the net. Dude!
What the hell?
Hold on. Oh, he's done. Oh. You want to troll now?
Yes.
It's okay, just have to lure down, get it, let's get it. And get a portrait with you, okay? Oh. No, let it go. Let's take a picture. That's too nice. Oh my, it's huge! Holy shit! Oh! Oh! Okay, gentle. That is. Oh!
I got it.
Look at the size of that thing!
Did you see him jump?
It hammered it. Fish on.
Oh, good boy.
That was the one. Oh, Nelly. I got her.
Was that none of his friends jig?
Yes, it is. Okay, here. I got this, and then you.
Parasite.
Hey,
Oh, leech. There's a leech in his gill.
is there?
None of his friends baits. Set the hook, swim baits. Coming in clutch. Oh, look at that beauty. All right, portrait.
Oh, quick. Yeah. Ooh, that's a good size one. Whoa. I know trouts.
Oh, first 5 seconds.
I know trouts. Oh, I don't know if the weights work, Owen.
First 5 seconds.
Oh.
Freaking drop it. Nice stroke. Snoot. Snoot!
Not that big. That's it, like a thumbstick. Use a roll. There you go. Nice fish. Back in. See you later, pal. And off she finished saying again, there's no fish here. We guessed wrong. It's on the wrong side of the island.
Same size, bigger? I think it's bigger.
Just want to be careful.
Oh, it's bigger. It's bigger.
It's bigger.
Okay, nice fish. Nice. This is a nice fish. This is another 5-pounder. I will tell you when I pick him up. Same size as the other one.
Okay.
Oh, baby. Uh-oh, this is not good. Okay. Oh my god, it came off when I got him.
Really?
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a 10-pounder. This is a 10-pounder.
My wrist is killing me.
This is a 10-pounder.
Okay, I'm gonna get my camera out.
This is a 10-pounder, baby. Oh. Oh my god. 10-pounder.
Oh. What a tank. Okay, hold him close to the portrait. Oh, wow. Wow, oh, what a fight. My wrist is killing me.
Oh,
Thank you, son.
Donkey.
Thank you, son. You want here? Let him go. Let him go. And I will.
What
What a beauty.
Swimming away.
Holy crap! That was a 10-pounder.
It's so twisted.
I think it's on his gill plate too.
Oh, he's done.
Man, I need his head.
I know. There.
One more time.
Oh, that's pretty good too.
That was like... I would retire floor off to this one.
Oh.
The line broke. No.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. I would retie your line. Actually, I'm going to make sure you retie your line. Oh, that's good too. Pretty girl. Face okay?
Yeah, you got like a weird
Growth. Yeah. Oh well. Let it go.
Freaking waste of a lure.
Oh, don't worry about it. This is the way to start the river run. Not quite what we were expecting. We could not find the portage. We could not find a campsite. So we bush bashed till we found something. It's not too far down to the portage. Over there in a kind of a swampy area. So this is how we're starting the Makobe River. Really should be interesting. We were kind of hoping for more brook trout time on the first time on this site. But after how many lake trout we got, kind of hard to argue. Home for the night. How's our morning view? Catching caddisflies. Watching the river. Getting ready for our first portage of the day. There's Owens and Ukshuk, just in case some other poor soul has as much trouble finding this portage as we did. The non-existent campsite and the no portage sign anywhere, no path visible anywhere, just rocks. Oh, we could actually turn here. Turn. Follow the main flow. Oh, geez. Look at that. Like a glove.
God, probably for sure.
So we thought about running that, eh? That looks doable. It's at a class 12. There's the one. Jim. Right over and right down the beach. Hell yeah. Nicely done. Nice, buddy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
Oh yeah. Alright, can you get a picture?
Yep.
Between these two. Another one straight ahead. Okay, there's just one on the right here.
Yeah. The N is really poorly written. You see it now?
Yeah.
why we're here is for these guys. That's what all the work is for. Nice fish. Nice fish. Look at those colors.
Beauty. Here he goes.
That was murder. I'm tired. Oh, again, can't take a canoe down that? It showed as rapids, not even as falls. That's a rapid? Like rapids to me sounds like it might be passable by canoe, right? That, not. Scrape free a little. Oh yeah.
Flying down.
That was bigger than I thought it was. Hey?
Yep.
Sweet.
That's probably fishing at that. So itchy.
I think we got a good 2K now with floaty time. I need that. Need a break. Maybe we get lucky and the last 3 are all like that. Runnable, optional portages, or just walk them through. Good now? Yeah. Stay right. We're good. We're good. We're good. And right through. Yeah. 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 Wood grinding's okay. Wood grinding's good. No portage. Attaboy. Hello, squishy fishy. Bye. Take a picture of that. Huh? Not a rapid. It's a sloped.
What a mansion. Beverly Hills over here.
Holy. If that was in Toronto, that would cost $2 million. Did you wash your dog water? Look who's joined us for a campfire drink. Just vibing in rye, slightly pickled. Don't want anything to do with us, huh? There's a couple of fish in this pool. I hope you can see that. Yeah. Okay, see you later, buddy. First class one of the day. Nice little riffle. Okay, and then just follow the V. That was more of a drop than I thought it was.
Log that.
That's a log.
Yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying.
Because that's the first set done, I think. Now this is the one where he said class 2, scout, fast. See, here's the portage. Let's go. I think we can line it. Let's go have a look anyway, before I make that decision. Okay? Woohoo! No, I think we're okay. This doesn't look bad. Yeah. species bingo. We just haven't had a pike. First cast. That was like instantaneous. We got him.
Oh, flip. Oh, looks like a mark.
There you go. Bye-bye. We're gonna have a drive-through lunch. Do I pull up to the first window and pay?
Yeah.
I don't see anything scary here, do you? No sweepers. I see V's. And then to the left of the next one. And then to the right of the one after that. Oh, this is so much better than portaging. Might scrape this one. Yep. Okay. Trying to find these. Let's go right, that's it, go right. There we go, we found. I'm getting a little better at this. Okay, to the left, in between these two, I see the V. Keep going that way. Good eye. Nice. Look what we just did, look back.
Get around that cedar.
Yeah. No, I think you made the right call there. Standing waves are cool. Surfing USA. That'd be fun to swim down. That's the Bear River. Hello, Bear. This might get faster. $3K left. 2 more rapids. They look small though.